Hi, it's Zach here. I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Wake Up Light alarm clock. Let me ask you a quick question. Are you tired of waking up in the morning to a jarring alarm sound or really loud music? Well, this is a much better way to wake up in the morning because it's the natural way to wake up in the morning. When it gets to about 30 minutes to your alarm clock, what this is going to do is turn on this beautiful natural light very gradually as if you're waking up with the rising sun. Now, don't worry, if this rising sunlight does not wake you up, at the end of that 30 minutes, it's going to play a very tranquil track. And you've actually got 6 different ones that are loaded in here for you to choose from. Now, as you notice, this light is touch activated, but it comes on automatically during the alarm. Now, what's nice about this is with 2 fingers, you can actually double tap it to turn it on and off. And when it gets to a brightness that you like, you can actually stop it so you can have it at different brightness settings. You can use this as a night light. You can use this as a reading light at night. It's so much better than having those harsh lights in your bedroom on. Now, this light actually has a secondary mood lighting function as well. So if you double tap the other side of this, it's going to change to this multicolored light that's going to cycle through different colors. Now, this is really great if you want to set the mood. It's great for kids' rooms, and it's also great to have on during parties. And the other nice thing about this is that when it gets to a color that you like, you can actually tap it again and it'll hold just that color on if you choose to do it that way. Now, this alarm clock doesn't just help you wake up in the morning, but it also helps you fall asleep at night. It actually has a sleep sound machine built into it, and you have 4 different tracks to choose from. You have rain, white noise, pink noise, and even an ocean wave function. And what's nice about this is that you can actually set a timer for it to shut off automatically so it's not playing the night through. It's just going to help you fall asleep. Speaking of the speaker, this one has a really nice one built into it, which is great for those sleep tracks, but it's also a Bluetooth speaker, so you can connect your smartphone completely wirelessly and you can listen to whatever you want. You can listen to your music, your podcast, you can get your daily news through it, and once you've connected via Bluetooth, you can actually control your phone or your tablet directly from the clock itself. Now, this has some really great additional features packed into it. You can actually charge your smartphone through this. You have a USB out, so you can leave your phone on it all night long while it charges. You've got a battery backup in here. It uses a button cell battery, and the first one actually comes included. So if there's a power outage, you don't have to worry about this not working in the morning. It's still going to wake you up. The other nice thing about this is how gorgeous it looks. It's very modern. It looks great on any nightstand, desk, kitchen counter. You can use this in the bathroom when you're getting ready in the morning. It's even got this really nice heavy base with this rubberized bottom, so it's not going to slide off and break or anything like that. It's just a very, very nice unit, and it makes an awesome gift as well. Plus, we got a great price on it, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.